What's up, guys? How you doing today? Welcome to another action-packed episode of Jdtco. And we got some fun stuff to get into, and we're going to get right into it. And what? You want to say something?
No.
Okay.
Not yet.
Not yet. Guys, this is a great tool to have. I mean, if you do soldering, again, I've talked about this 100 times. I wish back in the day when I was a luthier, right?
Yes.
Luthier, I had something like this. It would have changed my life. Instead of dragging an extension cord across my kitchen and working on guitars on the kitchen table. True story, Nick?
True story.
And how much is this M12 beer tool currently?
The M12 soldering iron bear tool is on sale for $109.95.
$109.95. You could put this in your arsenal and you will be the talk of the town.
They're $129 everywhere else.
They're $129 everywhere else. We'll save you money. That's 20 bucks. Put that $20 bill in your pocket. Go to the bar and drink that $20. That's what I would do. Is that what you do, Nick?
Yeah, why not?
Got a good dive bar, you can get a good buzz going for 20 bucks. The Milwaukee 3H drive non-fuel ratchet. And again, I know it's not fuel, it's not the latest and greatest. There's a lot better ratchets out there, but we sell a ton of these. How much is this little gem?
Those are $129.95.
$129.95 for the ratchet that can get in any tight spot you want. There's bigger, there's better, there's stronger, but this thing is like the size of your hand.
Great ratchet. We sell a ton of them.
My one customer might just call this his money maker. That's my money maker. I can get any spot with this thing. What do you say?
And it's powerful.
Huh? Remember Mike?
Yeah, I do.
He's a good guy. He moved to Florida. Play softball. Nick, why are you giving me this made in China garbage here? This plastic Chinese garbage. Are you sure?
Yes.
Because if I post this for sale, the first thing they say is, stop with your Chinese garbage. Nick, where's this made?
Germany.
Okay? Your phone, China. Okay? Your laptop, China. My tool tote, Germany. My car, Germany. What are you looking at?
Just trying to see if it says it.
It does say it on there somewhere.
Somewhere.
We promise
Definitely
you.
made in Germany.
We promise you it's made in Germany. If not, we'll be liable for slander of said product.
Someone told us to make them in China and sell them for cheaper, but I can't do that. They're too nice.
Yeah, but funny story. Coming soon from somebody. Right?
It could be. Might be.
Allegedly. I want a Viper chair. There's so much money. Not no more. What are you gonna do with the price? Listen, it's not me. I'm just part of the fan base. Spokesperson. Anyway, what do I know? Real quick. Listen, Milwaukee pry bars. They're great pry bars. There's plenty of options out there. There's some American-made options, but we still sell plenty of these. I think they're $69.95 or $75.
Hold on. I'm not ready on that one.
I think they're $75.
$79.95.
We're both wrong. $79.95 for the world's best pry bars. They're
that
made
are under $100.
They're made in the same factory as the Snap-on ones.
False. Not true.
They're made the same factory as the Cornwell ones.
Maybe.
Listen, this is all theater of the mind. None of this is true. This is all set. This is not even a real store, right?
I don't know. Some guy walked in here the other day and said, "Wow, this is a real store."
This is actually vodka. Anyway, it's water. I'm gonna be on a plane. I'm gonna be on an airplane in a little while. Actually, while you're watching this, I'm in Spain, right?
Yeah.
Because
we shot two videos.
We shot two videos in one day. Hence the same shirt.
I thought you would bring a second shirt.
I was gonna, Nick, but listen, I got tan pants on, and I didn't want to ruin my hair because my hair. Listen, this is a lot of. Listen, I know, guys. My birthday was last week, but I'm old. This isn't easy to make this look good. Okay? Nick's the young guy. Me, the old guy. What do I got here, Nick? AC. Listen, we all need AC gauges. Unfortunately, these days, There's multiple kinds of Freon that we're currently using. We're using 134 and 1234YZ, right?
YF.
YF.
No, we haven't gotten to the YZ yet. You're not ready for that.
Wait till tomorrow. How much are these?
The R134A set is $99.95.
That's a deal, guys.
And then the R1234YF, not the YZ, is $139.
Okay, boom, boom, in stock. And listen, guys, I'll let you know a little secret. I know you already have a set of gauges, but every year you have to buy a new set of adapters. These adapters cost, if you bought both adapters on any one of your tool trucks that come into the store, to your shop, these two adapters will cost more than this whole set of gauges, hoses, and adapters. That's a true story. You know what? These adapters are like 50 bucks
I know
each.
the hoses are expensive.
Hoses are expensive too. Get yourself a freshie.
And we're deep into AC season and we still have them in stock.
Oh, real quick, guys, too. These just happen to walk into the door. Altec VT36 TPMS tire reset tool. I think this is the same as the new launch one, right? It looks just like it.
Looks very similar.
Yeah. So I think launch is put her name on this one. To be honest with you, I don't know. I think
Why started rumors?
Because I think it's true. I remember somebody telling me at the warehouse that. Listen, I could be wrong again. Who knows? But that's what I'm thinking. And I didn't price these yet. They just literally walked in the door right before, in between filming, they walked in the door. And I bought a lot of these. And because I bought a lot of them, the price is going to be insanely cheap. I think I'm going to sell for $125.
It's a good deal.
It's a crackhead deal. It's a crackhead deal. So for $125, you can get a beautiful TPMS sensor tool.
Wow.
Okay, and this walked into the door. This is going to be a little bit of an advanced sell. This is a Molly. This is your replacement. This is your AC identifier replacement piece. These are online for $1,800, which is insane. Insane.
Wow.
Insane. $1,800. But at Jdtco, where we slash prices, we're going to give this to you for $800.
Wow.
And I only have a couple of these. And again, not everybody has an AC machine. Not everybody has a Molly AC machine. But if you do have a Molly AC machine, I suggest you get one of these, because when you do finally need one, you're going to spend $1,800 because this one's going to be gone by then, right?
True story.
It's an insane deal. Listen, this is insurance. Buy it, you'll probably never use it. But if you need it, you got it. Right?
Yeah.
I'm going to wrap this up, Nick, because you know why? It's been a long morning already. I've done 2 films, walked my dogs, and I have to fly across the pond in a little
you're
while.
already over there.
I'm sorry. I'm already in Spain drinking sangria, eating shrimp. Right?
Yeah. Something like that.
Shout out to Spain. I'm going to be going through Spain, France, and Honduras. I have a big meeting out there with a manufacturer of a certain type of tool. Maybe you know what it is. Spain tool. Not a lot of tools made in Spain. Use your
Imagination.
use your imagination and put in the comments below who I'm meeting with out there. Maybe something big's gonna happen. Maybe something small's gonna happen, but something's gonna happen. All right, guys. I'm a little tired. I feel like I ran a marathon. Like we always say, come for the price, stay for the show. Peace.